Yo, I just had a vision. A vision. No, I'm not like a psychic. But like I just had a little image pop into my mind of like if like when I'm not home, like my dog could just very well be sitting in my chair and just like reading my books. And then just like the second he hears me come home, like put them down and then go into all his fours and then be a real dog. For all I know. There's no proof that he doesn't do that. I think he knows too much. But I'm here because I've been learning. It's not perfect, but I've been learning human nature. And my motivation for learning it has been to play with my friends, for my friends, because they love Michael Jackson. And they love human nature. And I love human nature. But it's a hard song to play, bro. The calluses I've developed just playing this, but it made me fall in love with guitar again and music, and yeah, so this is what I got. I usually play with the electric, no amp, because the strings are softer than my acoustic. This is my first playthrough today, so I'm not warmed up. And then I just repeat it. Wow. Human nature. Why? Whoa. My dog is trying to leave my room. 1 second, guys. Say hello. Say goodbye. I haven't made a video in like a month. And then I was watching my old videos and I'm like, making videos is so fun. Why did I stop making videos? And then I was like, all the videos I make aren't like, who the fuck? They don't matter. They're not fun. Like, just crazy because they're fun to make. But I'm like, no, bro. It gets in my head. And then I'm like, stop, just make a video, fam. It's my journal right now. Can you believe it? Can you believe this? And it locks and stuff. Reaching out to the and it locks. Well, not with a lock. I finally got my own copy of Slaughterhouse 5. Finally. I read this book like a couple years back. So good. I started reading it again and I'm like, so good. And I watched a movie just now called La Belle Verte. It's French. But don't be scared, guys. Don't be scared. It's like a satire almost, I would say, about like society. I thought it was so bad when I first started watching it for the first like 10-15 minutes. It starts like with this like cult like group community living in just like fields. And turns out they're just like aliens. But they look like normal humans. Like acted by real people. But then they start talking about different planets, and then they're like, Earth. They're like, yeah, everyone on Earth is stupid. Like, da 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 da. And then one of the women volunteers to go to Earth in order, because she wants to meet, I think, her grandmother or something. Because her grandfather or something went to Earth, and then, no, or her dad, like one of her lineage, her dad, I think, went to Earth, and then, or her mom went to Earth, I think, and then she came back and then had her. Something like that. So she's like half human, half alien. I don't know. I can't even explain the movie. It's just stick through the questionable acting and the cheesy like introduction. You'll know what I mean when you watch it. If you stick through that, like, I think there is so much value in this movie. It literally got me looking into like eco villages after I finished it. That's how crazy it was. Reaching out. Can you even see my hand? How many cool things it's doing? I like. Like, there's so much going on. And this part. Whoa. That part's crazy. I have to like look when I do it. Been writing, been reading, been chilling. I just like watching my old videos back, because like in the moment when I'm making them, they don't feel special, but then they're so special when I watch them back, because I'm like, wow, that was like me. Just like, that was like, I remember when that was like me. And even like, I mean, like a month or 2 months ago, I'm like, wow, that was me. I don't realize how much I change unless I document it. Because in my mind, I'm like, I've been like this for so long. Probably like a week. Like, I've been like in a certain like mindset for like a week, and then it'll change again. And then like I learn something new. I watch another movie, and then I'm researching eco villages in Ontario. Like, what am I? What? Why? Popeyes mac and cheese, it is not good. Do not get it unless you have boring taste buds, which is fine. No hate. But like, if you like flavor, don't get it. And the garlic parmesan kind of flopped last time I got it too. But again, you live, you learn. I tried to make a workspace for myself today and like not have anything that's not rest in this room. But literally just sitting here, I started having so many ideas to write, and so many just wanted to play guitar. So I literally just went to the other room where I left all my writing stuff, like my guitar and everything. And I'm like, I just have to bring it here and do it. So there goes my entire plan. But you know, this is the way. It's 1:30 in the morning. I've been so tired. Like, I can go to sleep right now. I close my eyes and, but I don't know, man. It's weird. What? Okay, I think this is it. I think that's all I got right now for the video. Peace.